This is the fourth trade of 20 in a series where I'm just recording myself making 20 trades throughout in an attempt to just find consistency in day trading and really stick to a proper strategy. It's not about profit right now. It's not about losses. It's about sticking to a plan and teaching my brain psychologically how to actually do that. So I have a winner here. I'm up 131 so far on the day. We'll see what happens. I only have one contract left, but I'm going to take you through exactly what I did and show you why I did it. So I entered here on this green line. So 45.84, I bought 3 contracts. So I had 3 contracts, and as soon as we got this initial push up to here, I took one off at 45.88. Basically, I'm looking at, okay, if I get 4 points, I'm taking one off just to take advantage of the move so that if it does curl back around, I mitigated some of my risk and I can get out with a little bit of a winner, and then that way I'm not losing as much. The only reason I entered the trade was because of this full volume here on the 5-minute, and we cracked over the 15 EMA. That's it. That's how simple it is. If you want to see the trading plan, check out this video here and you go check it out. Then I come over here and I just look and see. I personally like to go to a 15-minute. So I want to go to a 15-minute, right? And I want to see, okay, where's the next level of resistance? And we can see here, the other day, the market popped up and it came down here, right? So it's just as simple as this. It came up and it got some red candles and it came back down. And then you can see again the other day, it came up right to that level and it came back down aggressively. So to me, that's probably a level of resistance in the intraday day trading style, okay? Green candles up, turn over, red candles. Draw a line right there, and I don't want to try to go to the tippy top and be greedy with my profit target. I want to just kind of get the meat of the move, and so I set the target right there. I set that, 45.92, and you can see I sold one right at 45. I now have this one contract on, and I've moved it up to above my stop, so I have a risk-free trade. Actually, in real time, let's see if we can find kind of a next target, right? Where would the next target be? So we're right on it. I go to my 15-minute and I look and I see, okay, here's the next target, right? So we're actually like right at it. So if we can break past that, past the 46.05, because I'm keeping it very simple. Green candles, and then a bunch of red, and then a bunch of red again, and then we obviously went down. This is clearly a level of resistance, right? So I have 2 options. I could either just take profit right now and say see you later, or I could do kind of more of a trailing stop. I'd prefer to just do a trailing stop because I already made some money. This is a free trade at this point. It's risk-free. So I'd prefer to just do a trailing stop and give it some time. So what I could do is come down to a 1-minute to really narrow in, and I could say, okay, this was obviously, like right now we're doing exactly what I want to see. But when it curls back around, because at some point here, it's going to get exhausted up here and it's going to curl back down because it needs to chill, and then it's going to go if it wants to continue. So wherever that next dip is, I'm going to move my stop up so that it's just below it, and then if we get another curl down and another move up, I'm going to move my stop down below that. That's as simple as it is. That's all I want to do. So I'm just going to trail with it and we'll see what happens. So we had a really great push. This is exactly what you want to see. Nice volume on the 1-minute, really good push up. I've moved my stop up to below this little bit of a dip here. I mean, it didn't even touch the 15 EMA, which is pretty great. I'll keep trailing and moving my stop up as it goes if it continues, or if it ends up coming down here and stopping me out, that's the trade. That's what's going to happen. So we got multiple green days in a row. This is 4 of 20 trades. If you're interested, subscribe, follow along. I'm going to post every single trade I do, whether it's a winner, whether it's a loser. I'm being as transparent and honest as I possibly can just to find consistency and help you find consistency as well and show that it can be done. So stick around for more if you want. I appreciate you for sticking around this long. I'll catch you on the next one.